Hi everyone, my name is Maria and I will present you my trading ideas for Forex. Here will be Euro, Great Britain Pound, Canadian Dollar, Swiss Franc and so on. Also I use some crosses and as well I put gold and silver in this review. I would like to say that this is a weekly review so you can join my channel and of course see next review in 5 trading days or maybe 7 weekdays. So pay your attention to what I see on market, and if you like it, please thumbs up and of course join my channel.
Well, we start with the euro dollar, and here is my idea for euro dollar. You see a big trend line from the 2008, so it's like 10-euro trend line, and what I think is that price can still go up to 1.2740. Up. You can check here. We had range on daily chart. We had range. It was like 1,000 pips. You see that it worked really well, and 1,000 pips gave us a target to 1.25, but it still didn't touch the trend line that we have since 2008. And for now, I don't have signal on weekly chart that the price can keep going down to 1.20. I still don't have a good signal. Yeah, we see that here is a seller sitting near 1.25 with the near the resistance, but we also see that here is like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This like the 6th week that we can't go down. We can't pass the bottom part 1.2250. Now, yeah, we had one breakdown, but the weekly price is closed upper. On daily chart, check out, we have a price below the Ishimoku cloud. Yep, the price is below the Ishimoku cloud, and before we see that price is not under the cloud or in the cloud, we will think that it's still here is still an opportunity for the price to go up. If you see this week that price will go under the Ishimoku cloud or just in the Ishimoku cloud, then we stop to buy euro dollar and we wait for the next part, what will happen, what signal we have. Also, I would like to remind you that we have a range on 4-hour chart with the level of support to 1.2175 and level of resistance 1.25. The RSI, relative stretch index, the indicator that works in range, is still not near the level 30. Until it's not near the level 30, here is still an opportunity for the price to go down. But for how long, we still don't know. If we talk about opportunity to sell, then we can say that it's not a bad time now to sell euro dollar with a stop loss below 1.2345 and with the target, well, I would say first target is 1.2270, second target is 1.2241. Let's check out one more thing. If we have the breakdown 1.23, then the price really can go to 1.2220. On this chart 1.2220, yeah, this is a good horizontal line of Kijun. Not bad target, first target. If the price goes in the cloud, then we sell with the target 1.2220. Not bad idea for euro dollar. Okay, and if we see the rebound from this trend line, then we buy with the target 1.24. Next we go to, I would say, Canadian dollar. We can try this one. Use the Canadian dollar. We see a good level of resistance near 1.29, and the price too much. The price couldn't pass this resistance last week. For now, we have a big candle with a huge shadow below 1.29, and for us, it's a good signal that price can go lower. develop. If we want to sell, we still, for example, we still didn't sell, we want to sell. I would advise to enter market after you see the breakdown of this pink tendency line. You can paint it in on your chart. If you see that USD Canadian dollar breaks down this tendency line, then you enter market with the target 1.27 and 1.2622. This is only technical situation. If we talk about the last year from July to this year March, we can say that it's like a big range, and let's show it like this. Yeah, if you say that we use a stochastic oscillator in ranges, then here's a good signal for selling USD Canadian dollar, but we will sell it after the breakdown of this pink tendency line, not earlier. For now, it's still, I would say, dangerous to sell it. If you want to buy, you can do it. Here is correction from 23.6% of Fibonacci. You surely can buy with a target to 1.2880, 1.2890. But check out this tendency line. After we see the breakdown, we start to sell it. Next, we go to, I would say, I can show you some like Euro Australian. Yeah, last week I told you to sell it. I hope you did. And now, guys, it's good to buy. Check out. Here was a range. Since 2nd of February, we had a range. It was 160 pips. Then 1st of March, we saw the breakdown of level of resistance, and we bought it, the Euro Australian dollar, with the target 1.5960. Why so? Because here was a range 160 pips. After the break, we give a target 160 pips. So this is the high of previous range. We got this target after we sold it last week. Also, I told you to sell it. The Euro Australian dollar. Now we are near the level of support of this old range. This price is like a support of this old range. And for now, here is what we do. For now, we buy with the target. We can say first one 1.5716. Second target is 1.5767. But be careful, if you see that price goes under 1.5630, if you see that price is under this point, then you sell with the target 1.55. I would say that it's a good deal, but after you see the breakdown of this level of support, you see that it's a really strong support area, which holds price upper for 2 months already. Well, month and a half, but still for a long time. And after you see the breakdown of this level of support, we will get this price 155 really fast. It won't be like 2 weeks to get money from this sale. I think that it will be like 1 or 2 day deal. That price goes really fast to the target 1.55 after you see the breakdown of 1.56. So 100 pips, check them out. If we buy now, the stop loss goes under 1.5630, but if we get stop loss, we sell with the target 1.55. Yep, this one is a really good one. I like it. I like to trade Euro Australian now. About Japanese yen, well, I think you all heard about this problem with leaders of Japan. So I think under the pressure of that news from Japan, check them out in Google, you can try to buy United States dollar with the Japanese yen, but short. I think it will be a really short buy with the target to 107.60, then not more. I think that I think that we now will be trading with the support level 105.50 and level of resistance 107.50, like 200 pips that you can trade for Japanese yen, BC, United States dollar, not more. About the Great Britain pound, well, here is an interesting, oh my god, here is an interesting situation that I would like to show you when I think you should sell. This is our first time when we talk about Forex, and I would like to show you my charts. This is a monthly chart, and you see a big red tendency downtrend. You see a downtrend. It goes down, and here is other steps. You see the correction. The red lines go up, and it was like a correction in a big tendency that goes down. So after I see the break of this correction, I take this corridor and put it down. So it's like a target for the price to go down. After I see one more breakdown of this 2,720 pips range. Well, yeah, after I see the breakdown, I put this corridor again down, and you see that it works really good. The third one, the green one, tendency corridor, you see that we have now a correction to the middle of this corridor, and the price couldn't go by really fast this middle of the corridor. We also had stop here, the price stopped here, and now the price stopped here. The third time it works for us. So for now, to buy with the target 1.50, we need to pass by this 1.43, 1.44, so the middle part of the range. What I see now for our chart, we need to trade this week, so I wanted to sell near 1.3940 because I see this downtrend on 4-hour range. On 4-hour chart, I see the downtrend I wanted to sell, but I didn't get the price I wanted. For now, either we get price 1.3930, we see the rebound from this tendency line, and we sell Great Britain pound, we see United States dollar. Or we see the breakdown of this level of support that you see this pink one. We have the breakdown, and after that we sell with the target 1.37. This will be like the first target. Check out on daily chart and Ishimoku indicator. The price is already in the cloud, and we can't say that it's good to buy or to sell now. We need to work really small targets. We need to find entry points that are not big but small, and if the price goes under the Ishimoku cloud, then we will sell it, and we'll sell to 1.37, 1.36. But if the price goes under this Ishimoku cloud, so we really need to check out what's going on with the Ishimoku, and after that we'll be more comfortable to say with sureness that it's time to sell or time to buy Great Britain pound with United States dollar. And I speak now only from the technical part. I don't use any fundamental news or my ideas about that. I use only technical part for now. Okay, we saw the daily chart for Great Britain. What else? The Swiss franc. Pay attention that on daily chart here, the price went, well, actually last week for Russian traders in my reviews, I gave an idea to buy United States dollar. We see Swiss franc because of this part. Those are candles that are showing big opportunity to buy it. 1, 2, 3, 4 days that set us buy this currency pair, and there was an opportunity to buy. We bought it with a target to the Ishimoku cloud. We got this profit. We took this profit because the price went to Ishimoku cloud. Now, what should we do? Should we sell or shouldn't we? I don't have a signal to sell for now. Because of that, I will wait until the price comes to 0.9550. That is, I think, the level of resistance that market can give us. And well, on different charts, I found this level as a really important one, and it is like 60 or 50, yeah, I think about 60 pips above current price. So for now we can keep buying it. You see that on 4-hour chart here is also an opportunity to buy. Every candle is closed with a shadow on the bottom part. It is a good signal that here is a buyer and the price is not ready to go down. It will still go up. So the target is like 60 pips and the stop loss will go under the minimum of today. Okay, not a bad talk for first time with you guys. If you have questions, you can always ask them and write to me under this video. Thumbs up, of course. And if you like it, if you don't like it, please write your comments and I will take them into account in future reviews. Okay, have profits.
Thank you very much that you stayed with me for so long, and if you liked it, thumbs up, and of course join my channel. Also, I have the Telegram channel, and you can find link under this video. Join me. See you next week. Bye bye.